Can you build an app with zero coding experience? The honest answer is yes. Absolutely yes. Here's what changed. AI coding tools have gotten so good that the bottleneck is no longer technical skill. It's having a clear idea and knowing how to communicate it. Think about it like this. You don't need to know how an engine works to drive a car. You don't need to know how a camera sensor works to take a photo. And now, you don't need to know how code works to build an app. Real people with zero programming background are shipping products right now. A teacher built a quiz app for her classroom. A personal trainer built a client booking system. A small business owner built an inventory tracker. None of them wrote a single line of code. They described what they wanted. AI built it. They refined it. And they shipped it. The new skill isn't coding. It's directing AI. It's knowing what to ask for, how to describe it clearly, and how to review what you get back. That's a skill anyone can learn. And it takes days, not years. If you've been thinking about building something, the barrier just disappeared. More at End of Coding.